Google reviews are critical to your business. Like 60% of website users, I love looking at Google reviews. I review them before buying products or deciding to go with any services. But what if I told you for your business or your practice that monitoring your reputation in your Google reviews can actually help with your Google ranking and SEO? Let me show you how in our reputation management tool. So welcome to part 1 of our 4-part series about the features of the reputation tracker and survey tool. So today I'll show you the powerful one-stop shop to view and manage your reputation online. There are 3 key factors in managing your online reputation that your practice should understand to benefit you online. Number 1, the amount of reviews you have matters. Number 2, the rating of those reviews matter. And number 3, and most importantly, which this tool allows you to do, is to respond and engage to your reviews, whether they're positive or negative. Just a side note, I would encourage you to ask your patients or clients for reviews. This will help to increase your number of reviews, which in turn will benefit your Google ranking. I'll show you how in our next video about reviews, so make sure you tune in to the next video. So now let's access your reputation tracker tool. Once you are logged into your iMatrix portal, on your navigation sidebar, you should see a section called Reputation Management. To access your reputation tracker tool, simply click onto Reputation Tracker. You should see your business name listed under Manage Accounts. This will allow you to launch your tool. Now, click onto Manage Reputation to launch your dashboard. So now let's start with the dashboard section of the reputation management tool. This allows you to track and monitor your online reputation progress. Based on the feedback that you receive from your reviews, this will give you a general idea of what you need to do to make changes. This can be simple changes made to the office, services you offer, or any other procedural or process changes within the office. Doing this will promote and drive your patients to give you and your practice a better review. They will have a more exceptional experience, which in turn will improve your reviews. Now in the dashboard, you will see a marketing score. This measures your online reputation performance. However, this is not to be confused with your Google ranking. You can review scores, visibility, social activity, and promotional offerings. The final section is the alerts, which you will also be emailed to alert you when a new review or response has been posted to your online reputation. So now that you've learned a bit more about the dashboard, tune in to our next exciting video about reviews. And check out help.imatrix.com for more info.